Global warming, the greatest risk facing human beings. The food waste that we thoughtlessly throw away is one of the reasons behind global warming. Is it okay to throw away the amount of food waste as we are currently? 14,000 tons of food waste is generated a day, 5 million tons a year. 70% of food waste is from households and small restaurants. More than half of the food waste is thrown away during the distribution and cooking process. A seventh of food is thrown away. This amount of food waste causes an economic loss of over 20 trillion won a year. Food waste treatment requires an expense output of more than 800 billion won. Reducing food waste restores the environment and prevents the waste of resources. If everyone would reduce food waste by 20%, food waste treatment costs would be reduced by 160 billion won a year. The energy savings would generate economic profits reaching 5 trillion won. So how can we reduce food waste? We can reuse food waste as compost or forage through appropriate treatment. However, food wastewater is generated during the reuse process and requires treatment costs. The best way to reduce food waste is to reduce the generation of food waste itself.
Do you know about the food waste volume-based charge system for reducing food waste? Costs within a food waste volume-based charge system depend on the quantity of food waste. Therefore, a smaller quantity of food waste means a lower fee, and a larger quantity of food waste means a higher fee. The volume-based charge system, by which we pay as much as we throw away, is the most effective way to reduce food waste.
There are various kinds of food waste volume-based charge systems, depending on the collection method. One of these is the RFID method, similar to when a bus fare is displayed when we touch our transportation card to the reader. A waste fee is imposed depending on weight, using a food waste container or a card with an RFID tag.
Reuse is as important as reducing food waste. A strict separate garbage collection is required for reuse of food waste. Strictly sort regular trash from food waste. And put food trash in a food waste container to prevent them from mixing with other household wastes.
Reducing food waste is one of the greatest ways to protect our one and only Earth.